Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to redeem BNB Vault. So guys, once you've logged on to Binance, please make sure you have an account on Binance. And if you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, with a verified account, all you need to do is head over to the wallet section. So guys, simply scroll from your overview to the earning wallets. Once on the earning wallet, you can have a look at your BNB Vault. So click on the BNB Vault and select the redeem option. By clicking on the redeem option, you're going to be retaking your BNB. And once you've selected the redeem option, simply enter the amount of BNB you wish to redeem. And as you can see here, it says the available amount for redemption is here. So click on the amount you wish to redeem and click on confirm. Once you've selected confirm, it's going to be processing, and in an hour's time, you can get your BNB that same day. And if you head back to your wallet, all you need to do now is simply reload, head back to the spot wallet and click on this, and you would find your BNB has been deposited back here. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can redeem BNB Vault, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.